Day 86 of the rest of my life. 86 days ago, I quit my corporate job to pursue my passion of starting our successful clothing brand MUEL, and to show you that when you align your passions with your purpose, everything and anything is possible. Today on day 86, I worked 2 jobs. No Julius. I worked my first job from 7 to 3, and then from 3 to 6, I went to my second job, which was across the street, and also got some hours in there. I am grinding and stacking and starving to make sure that we make MUEL as successful as possible, and we also have the funds to purchase the shirts that we dropped off yesterday. I want you guys to go watch day 85's MUEL vlog and see us dropping off our first bulk order of tees. We dropped off our 110 tees to the screen printer, and it was an amazing experience. We even set up a day to go in, make content of us creating our own shirt. So I'm super excited for you guys to go watch that after this video. Today was tough, and every day I want to get on here and do a sob story of, oh, I have to work so hard to get what I want. But I'm honestly starting to get into a routine, and I'm starting to feel better about having to go to work, because I know that I have a plan and I have a schedule, and I have a schedule that I am following now. Before, when I first created this schedule, I would follow some things. You know, I do the morning routine, I skip a few steps, and then I just move on my day, not worrying about the things that I missed, and just kept pushing. Now, when I'm missing things, and that is rare, because I'm actually following through with the stuff that I'm putting on the schedule, but when I do miss it, I go back and make sure that I'm completing those tasks or moving those tasks up to the next day, to make sure that I am moving us forward, becoming the entrepreneur that I need to be, and moving MUEL forward. So the schedule is working, and with the schedule working, I'm becoming more disciplined, and with becoming more disciplined, it is becoming easier to stick to our plan and to go to work and to push through, because MUEL is on the front of my mind, and I have the task already organized, and I have the things that we need to do for the brand worked around us making money for the brand. So discipline is becoming easy now, and maybe it's the plan, maybe it's because I'm becoming the entrepreneur, I'm doing the work that is needed, but I'm so glad that this consistency is combining with our discipline to push us forward. And now all we have to do is be patient and continue to trust this process, continue to do our exercise daily, keep our mind and our body sharp, and push through these times where we feel like we want to quit and we want to give up, and we want to be regular and we want to be normal, and continue to work. So today is day 86. I want you to share this with someone who needs to write out their daily to-do list and create a calendar. Share this with your entrepreneur friend, your friend who works at a corporate job, your friend in general. Everyone needs a calendar, everyone needs a schedule, because when you have that schedule, it is harder to veer off and do things that are not on there. Once you combine that discipline with your calendar, you will no longer be distracted by other things, because when someone asks you if you are busy, or if you can go here to this party, or here to this restaurant, or do things that are outside of what your business needs, you look at that calendar and immediately you know yes or no if you can. And if you can't, it is because you have something that is necessary on the calendar. So I'm gonna zip it up right there. Share this with someone who needs a calendar. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Every single off day, I'm gonna make sure that I pick up that camera on these days that I'm working and I have work the next day. I'm gonna make sure that I put out something. So thank you guys again. I appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe. See you tomorrow.